Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add friends or add your favorite friend on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Discord app on your PC. If you don't have it, you can install it or download it anytime from the Discord app itself. Go ahead and log into your account on Discord and you will see this type of interface. You can see the add friend on the top of the middle of the screen. Now you can go ahead and add or write down the name of your friend. Go ahead and click on send friend request. So you can see that your friend request has been sent. Make sure that your friend's name is correct, otherwise you cannot send your friend request to your friends. So I'm going to teach it to you how you can add a friend. First of all, open the Discord app and default will be in this page. Go ahead and click on add friend, which is over here, and let's go ahead and search for our friend name. You can see that as soon as you click on send friend request, the friend request will be sent. It will be said over here, success, your friend request to the username was sent. So guys, this is quite easy. This is how you can add friends on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.